Hi, I'm Tim McCain, Donnelly Ford here at this new 24 Mustang. My buddy Andy kind of showed it to you the other day, but I want to take you on the inside and show you the upgrades. All right, we're going to open this up, take a look at the new interior. You can see the new look on the seats, the new console. But one thing a lot of people are talking about is this new dash setup. Check out these screens, man, they are huge. Goes clear across. Just go ahead and start this up, show you a couple things. One day you got time, stop in, we'll show you in person. I'm going to hit you a couple things, show you my favorite thing real quick. We're going to hit the modes here. Then we're going to go to, there's your normal. We're going to go down to your sport mode, track mode, and my favorite, drag strip mode. Hey, come to Donnelly Ford again and check out the all-new 24 Mustang. We also have another Mustang with the 4-cylinder turbo in it as well. Come and see us at Donnelly Ford again today.